Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're out pruning back hardy perennials, feeding them to get the most from them this coming year. This area of 1, 2, 3 clumps of Phlox paniculata, really fragrant phlox. You see how high they grew last year. They grew up there to about 1.5 meters high, and we're pruning all last year's old stems off just to tidy them up. You don't have to, but just pruning them down like that. We've already cut back some Annabelle hydrangea in this area as well. We've a nice pink Annabelle here, it's been cut down too. Really frothy pink flowers, and we're going to feed it as well. The garden phlox we've cut back here is a Dessa purple star. I'll put up a video after this one, you'll see it in full flower. Well worth feeding to get the most from them. Now, the fertilizer we're using is Flower Max. Flower Max is the fertilizer to encourage your plants to flower an awful lot better, and it brings out the intensity on the quantity of flower. So we're putting a couple of handfuls around our Phlox paniculata, a Dessa special purple star there. That will encourage it to produce lots of growth, and we're going to get lots of colour on it this year. We'll repeat every 4 to 6 weeks to get the most from it. The same around our nice hydrangea Annabelle pink. Our white Annabelles have been fed further down along the way as well. Nice white Phlox here, a couple of handfuls. A few daffodils have finished flowering. It's no harm to feed them now to build them up again for next year, because it's now they're making up their minds how many flowers they're going to have next year. So feed all your daffodils that have gone out of flower to get a good display again next year from them. So Flower Max is the fertilizer you need. Feed every 4 to 6 weeks to make the most from them. High in potash, high in magnesium to bring out the quantity, and it brings out the intensity of that flower colour. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.